So a nutsert is what you see in front of you. Let me get the one out. So this here is a nutsert. Now, I'm trying to get you to see. Okay, so you see those little ribs there? When you put it in whatever material you're going to do and you squeeze the lever, the handles, that will squish down and expand, right, against the material that you're using it for. So that's the nutsert. They come in all different sizes, and you can get them metric or, you know, standard. Also, what you see here are dies, and I will show you. I have a 1/4 20 in here because that's what all my cameras mounting screws, they're 1/4 20. These are like the dies, okay, and they come in different sizes. This one here is a 1024. 1024 standard. And you got the metric. This one is M3 to, okay, M3, M4, M5, M6, M8, M10, and M12. Okay, so you know that's the nutsert. So, like I was doing, explaining. So what you'll do first is you're going to drill the appropriate hole for the size of nutsert you're going to be using. A 1/4 20 nutsert, I believe, is an 1/8 drill bit, and you don't want the hole sloppy. You want to be able to kind of push the nutsert into the hole, and the tighter the fit, I mean, the more grab it's going to have when it expands, because it don't expand, you know, a 1/2 inch or nothing, or you know, it is a minimum amount that it expands. So you want to utilize as much of that as possible. So then you're going to open the handle of your tool, and you're going to screw on the nutsert, and then you're going to push the nutsert that's on the tool. You're going to push the nutsert into the hole in the material that you want it into. You're going to keep pressure on it, and you're going to squeeze the handles together. And then you're going to smile, because that's pretty much it to the whole process right there, my friend. So I'm going to show you the video now. You'll see a video of me actually doing it, and you'll understand better. I just got a piece of scrap. There's already inserts in here. Been there, I don't know how long, but so you're going to drill a hole. How can you see? All right, you can see. You're going to drill a hole. This one's already done. All right. So this is the material that you're going to fasten something to, or whatever. You know, like I say, you can't go through all the scenarios. I have the die in here, but if you need to change, you get your tool. There's a little tool, a wrench that comes with it, but you'll take this die out. This collar just pulls back. You take it out, put the other one in. Simple. Tighten down your securing nut up here. There is a setting on this particular tool, and I have to tell you about it because it's important. Can you see? There's numbers on there, right? It goes up to 1 millimeter. I have it set. You got, when your handles are extended, they won't. I have it set to about 6 millimeters. Or 0.6 of a millimeter actually. It's that tiny. I don't have my glasses. But so what you'll do, you'll open up your handles. You'll take your nutsert and you will tighten it down, and you'll be left with a little, you know, this much sticking up, right? That's pretty much the indication of how much this is going to squish together. Now, on the tripod that I just fixed a while back, actually, I knew it was white metal plastic, so I took this measurement down to, so that way 0.4, because the more it expands, there's only white metal is going to crack it, split it, you know. So that I think that's pretty common sense. So you got your thing screwed on there. This is the material. You'll stick this in, keep some pressure, right? Keep some pressure so it's against the material, and squeeze. Right now, you've seen the original, what it was before, and yes, I think you'll see right there. You see how it's squished down right against that metal, right? So then you'll open up your handles. You'll turn this knob to unscrew from the nutsert, and then you attach whatever size bolt that you want to install. So this is a 1/4 so obviously a 1/4. Okay. It's that easy. So, do you need this tool? Well, for the price of it, 50 bucks. Man, I'm going to tell you, you don't have to get this brand, but I'll tell you, it really is a wonderful tool.